are going to Pakistan. We are going to Pakistan, and we have also an amazing student, Hamid Rasool. Welcome, Hamid Rasool. Let us hear what will our student tell us today about the SDG 14. Thank you.
Thank you so much, all of you. Welcome to this amazing virtual conference. To all beautiful listeners, viewers, educators, students, and trainers. Today, we are going to discuss the most important issue, Sustainable Development Goals, SDG number 14, Life Below Water. Are you all ready to go there? Let's go.
One question before you start. Will it be a journey like with Miss Uri Fak? I think that you prepare for us something very, very awesome. A big surprise. We are expecting a big surprise.
Thank you so much. Inshallah, will be.
Hamid, you can start. No problem.
Okay. Sustainable Development Goals, Life Below Water. Hamid Rasool from Islamia University of Bahawalpur, from the Department of Eastern Medicine and Surgery. Today we are going to discuss the most important goal, life below water. Let's go. Our goal. In order to conserve and sustainably % of Earth water are present in oceans, and 99% life volumes of 90% oceans are present in oceans. And in these 99% of life volumes of present in ocean, there are billions lives, which of all 2 million were identified. And also, world 40% ocean are highly affected by pollution, due to which highly loss of coastal habitat occur. Oceans absorb 30% of water. That should be our goal, that ocean absorb 30% of carbon dioxide, which is lethal to human being and also other organisms. 3 billion people dependent on it. Stop our fishing, which may be illegal or destructive. And number 5, enhance the sustainable use of ocean resources by implementing international law. 5 major threats that nowadays oceans facing. Number first, our fishing, pollution, acidification, habitat loss, and invasive species. This can be maybe in any other form, but our fishing, pollution, acidification, invasive species, habitat loss are the major threats that nowadays ocean facing. Threats, these soft organism, small organism cannot resist pollution, acidification. So we should control. And all the anthropogenic sources which are made by human made, all are the due to us. So let's go. So what is the major threats that we are facing today? We discussed. So first of all, for all the above threats, which one is the most lethal for us? Which is population. By the increase of population, poverty will be there. Economic loss of the country will
be great, really great. Something very special, new for me, really new what you today explain. Thank you for joining us, and I hope that we will see you again very soon, because you are making a great work in your department and in your country, Pakistan. Thank you. Thank you very much. Now